Hello YouTubers, today is it unboxing because I unbox from agency. I buy some stuff for the crawler. Upgrades for the AX10, and yeah, I'm going to show you what I buy, and we're going to open the box. We're going to open the box. That's all that here. All the stickers. It's empty. So here's, that is the list of all that stuff. So yeah, that is for if you're not happy. So I got these details, stickers, top cap, yeah, and number plate also. So then stickers from Boomracing. So what I got here is for axles, aluminium cats blocks, a wrench, C cube, carry casserie. I have to check. Then also tires from Boomracing. You can see the number. It's the axle variant. I think the zigzag tires, 2.2 tires, rock mountain terrain 2. Yeah. A second one. Also I got here the yellow C cubes, carams for axle, which was y inch. So yeah, you can see that is for on the front, around the wheels, the steering, and also wheels, aluminium 6 cyclone, Gia locks, 2.2 wheels, 2 orange. So aluminium 6 cyclone, Gia locks, 2.2 wheels, 2 orange. So you can see it with the logo of Boomracing inside, but yeah, you're going not to see it because yeah, you have the wheels, the tires on the round. So yeah, that looks nice. So that is for apply. And then so this sorry, a set of tires Then I got this also, the aluminium cubie sexton scale jack stains for the axle SCX10, but yeah, you can use it for all the axles, I think. So huge awesome. See it? I have two of us. So also I'm going to make pictures for Instagram and on Facebook. And so that is what I buy to do upgrades to the AX10 Deadbolt. So with orange, I leave with orange. So all the upgrades that I did on this color is orange. Also I'm going to change a little bit. So the shocks are going to replace it, check it, then I think I'm going to let it down a little bit more. Yeah, and then I'm going to do here on the door something like crawler skull, because it's a skull. That is the name that I give on it, because I give not names on my RCs. So this is the only one that I go to give a name, and then I go to change here and everywhere. I'm going to change a little bit. So, yeah. If you want to have, need some stuff, also great upgrades, you have to go to agency, because there is you can find different upgrades and for different RC, for much RCs, and also accessories, little details also. So I got here in my Deadbolt, I got little cannets of Monster. You have much. You can, if you interesting, you can go down below. I have a link where you can go to buy or simply to go check what you can buy, what you're interested in. For other things, for my X-Max, because you have also stuff for the Traxxas, HP, for every RC you got there. So if you're interested, go check the link down below, and yeah, if you use my link, I appreciate that. If you want to buy something, yeah. And thank you agency for sending me this stuff so fast, because yeah, 3 days and I got it. So yeah, it's very fast. Also you can choose what for sending, shipping, and so and sometimes it's a free shipping right word, so you call it. So yeah, and now I'm going to put it on this little bad boy. So this you're going to see later when I have done. So thank you for watching RC-X22, and see you later. Bye. Peace.